Hi, ever wondered how AI models like ChatGPT, Stable Diffusion, or custom chatbots run behind the scenes? What if you could deploy your own AI server, right at home or in the cloud? In this series, I'll take you from zero to fully deploying an AI-powered server, integrating models like LLaMA, OpenWebui, DeepSeek, Stable Diffusion, etc. Let's get started. Before diving into this, let's get some basic idea about what is an AI server. An AI server is a computer system designed to run, train, and serve AI models efficiently. It can process text, images, voice, and automation tasks using large language models, fine-tuned AI models, and deep learning frameworks. Examples of AI servers: cloud-based AI, OpenAI, Hugging Face, AWS Lambda, etc. On-premise AI, self-hosted AI with GPUs, edge AI devices, etc. Why build your own AI server? Privacy and control. No dependency on third-party cloud AI. Customization. Fine-tune and optimize models based on your needs. Cost efficiency. Instead of API fees, you run LLMs locally for free. Offline AI. Run AI without an internet connection. Key features and use cases. LLMs, language models. Deploy models like LLaMA, Mistral, Falcon, DeepSeek for chatbots. Fine-tune models for your own dataset. Computer vision run, Stable Diffusion for AI-generated images. Automation, AI-powered task automation, e.g., code generation, data processing. Security and monitoring, AI-powered threat detection, e.g., Wazoo with AI analysis. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll discuss hardware and software requirements, what kind of machine you need, from Raspberry Pi to high-end GPUs. Subscribe and stay tuned.